This is what I call Microsoft Word. Yeah, so Microsoft Word, it's very possible for you to have Microsoft Word. Oh yeah, I think no thanks. Okay, this is what they call Microsoft Word. So this is a document. So to edit it, you tap onto the edit icon over here and do any kind of editing that you want to do. So Microsoft Word, you can do a couple of changes on the document in whichever way you feel like. So onto this particular video, the only thing that I'm gonna talk about is how can you get to download orientation. I'll get Microsoft 360 personal. Change the outline of your document from portrait to landscape depending. So it's not that expensive per a month, whereby you can just get to pay only $11.49 per a month. So on this video, let me show you where you can get this application, which is the Microsoft Word application. The only thing you need to do is to go here onto the Google Play Store and do this thing. Just get here and get to type in Microsoft Word. So you then get this application over here. As you see, it's already installed onto my phone. So yeah, I will just need to open it. So it's an easy process. After you get to download it and it gets installed onto your phone, the next thing is to create yourself an account onto your application. So that's it. Yeah, that's it about the Microsoft Word application. Yeah.